I'm packing for our next camping trip, and I've been thinking about some things that are just on my mind. And I really want to ask you for a little bit of help. So on our last camp trip, we had went with a couple of friends, and we had some issues around the campfire, and it was all related to music. So here we are, it's like on non-music night when it was just campfire sounds, hearing the crickets, hearing the breeze through the trees. That was all fine. But on music night, then things got a little testy because not everybody liked the same music. So here we got our little JBL speaker, which normally is a lovely little thing, and everybody wants to control it. So the bad thing is that, one person likes country, somebody else likes like 80s, somebody else likes, heavy rock, heavy metal. I personally like smooth jazz because it's nice and calming to me. But anyway, the point is that not everybody could agree on the music. And you know how it is when you're like somewhere and you're listening to music that you really don't like, and you kind of get antsy about it, and that's how it was. And so because we were not arguing, but we were definitely sharing our opinions about the music we were having to listen to. So we came up with what we call a solution, and that was that we couldn't agree. We agreed to disagree. And we said, hey, everybody gets one chance at picking a song. And this is the only way that we're going to survive this. So when it's your turn around the campfire, then you get to pick the song. And nobody gets to veto that. Everybody has to listen to the whole song. And then when it is when your song's over, then your turn is over, and we go around the circle, and whoever's sitting in the next chair gets to pick the next song. So that worked okay. And if it was up to my husband, we would be listening to every country song, and we would listen for the umpteenth time about how you can, lose your wife, your dog, your truck, and whatever else. And how to get it back. But anyway, I actually don't mind country once in a while, but like when it's too much, right? So we did everybody gets a turn around the campfire, and that worked pretty well. But what I really want to do is avoid the whole thing next time. And so I want to come up with a playlist. And I want the playlist to be like music that is kind of like a nice variety of music, and where everybody kind of has their taste that's represented, but it's not like real extreme music. It's sort of that middle of the road where it's a little vanilla, and everybody can kind of agree that, hey, that wasn't so bad. So I am looking for help in creating a playlist, and if you could help me with maybe a couple of suggestions on songs that kind of fit that bill so I can build a playlist that everybody can be happy with, I would be forever grateful. So if you could leave a comment and let me know what song or artist or whatever you might recommend that would kind of make all of us happy. And sometimes we have people usually not too much younger than in their 30s, and then all the way into their 70s. So we have a wide range of people, and everybody is pretty good natured about trying to get along and make fun of ourselves when we have differences. And oh, by the way, if you ever come and visit and you find cat hair on any of my towels, just ignore that because Izzy likes to help me do laundry. Anyway, if you can help me out, I would really appreciate it. Talk to you soon. Bye.